Hello crafty friends, I'm coming in with a quick and easy project for you. This is going to be for Halloween. I am hosting a swap in my Facebook group, Salty Beach Scrappers, and I wanted to do some fun little chip clips, right? And so I purchased this on Amazon and it was kind of cheap, and I have to say, are they the best quality? No, but I really do like them. Their size is about 3 inches, almost. It's 2 7/8 by 5/8 inches, okay? So today I'm making 4. I may need to make more, like one for myself maybe. I don't know. But, in fact, I think I will. No, come to think of it, I think I'll make one for my daughter and my son too. I think they would love that. So let's go ahead and get out 3 more. And I've got plenty of paper. So the paper collection that I'm using today is the Paper Phenomenon Enchanted Shadows. I mentioned this on my previous video. I will be doing a review of this papers. I've purchased 2 of them. So, because I've got a lot of projects coming up, right? But, you know, this one you can use very minimal, like these are my leftover scraps from something that I was doing earlier. Don't mind my ink. I've been inking, so I'm going to show you in just a second. Anyway, so I will go through this thoroughly so you all can see it because I love it and I hope you do too. So let me put this away and get going here.
I remember the days, always at the same place, the same people every day. I will never forget this black old Corvette standing in front of my way. We were both in high school. I thought I was a fool. Oh, when I was falling for you. You keep drawing me in, and I know it's a sin, but even so, yeah, I need you. You taste like candy. Eat you on a Sunday. Feels so bittersweet, knowing I can leave. You taste like candy. Eat you on a Sunday. I can feel the beat of my heart and beats. 'Cause you taste like candy.
guys, I think these turned out super cute. I can't wait to add these in my swap gifts that I'm handing out. I was just thinking about it. You could actually put a magnet on the back of these and then use these to hold photos and put them on your refrigerator or whatever you have that's metal. Anyway, I just thought this was a super cute and fun idea. I will go ahead and put the links down below for the paper collection as well as these little wooden clips. They weren't that expensive, so, and I also wanted to have like bigger, fatter clips, right? And so these work for me. I don't know if you guys will particularly like these clips. Some people like smaller ones. So anyway, I'll just put the link down below and you can buy it if you want to. But anyway, you all have a wonderful and fabulous day, and I'll be seeing you all soon with another fun project. Bye, guys.